how to find someone you played with on Roblox. So first things first is we will be using an extension for us to be able to make this work. So there are factors that you need to understand first. You need to at least know which specific game you played if you're looking for someone, or even have a copy of their IGN or their in-game name. So just open up your web browser and then just go to Chrome Web Store, which you will be redirected here. So the extension that we will be downloading is Roblox Restore Old Server List. So this is what it should look like, and simply install it. It's totally free and add it to your extensions list. Now in here, just simply go to your extensions and you just have to activate it by turning on auto search. Say for example, you guys or that specific person you're trying to find is playing through Grow Garden. You simply click on that experience and then go to servers. And there you should be able to simply see all the users that you played with before on this specific experience. That's pretty much it. That is how you find someone you played with on Roblox.